Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco Mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Poco Mobile guys keyboard sound problem solve setting. How to solve keyboard sound problem in Poco phone device. So friends, when you use your device keyboard, in your keyboard sound problem you have. When friends you can see when I will tap on my keyboard sound, keyboard vibrate problem. So how to fix keyboard problem, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your device phone setting. After on phone setting friends, open your phone app setting. After on phone app setting friends, open your phone manage app setting, and friends click here search option Gboard setting. Friends click here Gboard setting, and friends clear data your Gboard, and guys your keyboard problem, lag problem, hanging problem is solved. And friends now again we will on keyboard. Friends again you have keyboard sound problem, keyboard vibrate problem. So then how to fix keyboard vibrate problem, keyboard sound problem. Friends click here left at this icon, you can use your keyboard setting. So friends click here sound and vibration setting, keyboard sound and vibration setting. Friends click here, and guys your keyboard sound is on. So guys first of all off your keyboard vibrate sound, and guys your keyboard vibrate setting will off. And friends now you can use your device without vibrate, keyboard vibrate. And you want to off your keyboard sound, so friends click here and you can off your keyboard sound in your Poco phone device. And friends now you can use your device keyboard without sound, without vibrate. You can tap on your keyboard will not sound, keyboard will not vibrate. And friends you have keyboard voice tapping. After clear data your voice tapping problem is solved. But friends you can see network not connected. So friends now when you will connect your network, when you will on your mobile data, you can use your keyboard voice tapping also. So when after connect Wi-Fi, as you can see we can use keyboard voice tapping without any problem. Camera. So like that friends, you can fix your keyboard voice tapping problem also. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood how to fix keyboard problem, how to fix keyboard sound problem in Poco phone device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, you have any problem in your Poco phone device, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends. And before going, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.